The kitchen is full of interesting items that help make delicious food. Have you ever wondered what they all do? Let's identify 21 important kitchen tools and gadgets, from the fridge that keeps food cold to the toaster that makes crispy toast. Get ready to learn what makes your favorite meals possible. 1. Glass. G-L-A-S-S, glass. 2. Kettle. K-E-T-T-L-E, kettle. 3. Bowl. B-O-W-L, bowl. 4. Plate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. 5. Oven. O-V-E-N, oven. 6. Spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. 7. Fork. F-O-R-K, fork. 8. Knife. K-N-I-F-E, knife. 9. Tray. T-R-A-Y, tray. 10. Pot. P-O-T, pot. 11. Ladle. L-A-D-L-E, ladle. 12. Saucepan. S-A-U-C-E-P-A-N, saucepan. 13. Stove. S-T-O-V-E, stove. 14. Sink. S-I-N-K, sink. 15. Frying pan. F-R-Y-I-N-G-P-A-N, frying pan. 16. Teapot. T-E-A-P-O-T, teapot. 17. Kitchen table. K-I-C-H-E-N-T-A-B-L-E, kitchen table. 18. Kitchen cabinet. K-I-T-C-H-E-N-C-A-B-I-N-E-T, kitchen cabinet. 19. Refrigerator. R-E-F-R-I-G-E-R-A-T-O-R, refrigerator. 20. Measuring cups. M-E-A-S-U-R-N-G-C-U-P-S, measuring cups. 21. Trash can. T-R-A-S-H-C-A-N, trash can. Now that we've explored 21 important kitchen items, you know what makes this room so amazing. Next time you're in the kitchen, see if you can spot these tools and remember their jobs. Cooking is fun when you know how things work. Keep exploring and enjoy making tasty treats. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to @ExamHood.com for more great content.